This Christmas, I'm leveling it up with these awesome LED lights. Let me show you why these are so great. To start off with, this is 500 LED lights. So it is a lot of lighting, and you can use this indoors or outdoors. I'm planning to use this on our tree as we go for big trees, and this should be perfect for it. Now, what's really cool about these is they have 11 different lighting modes, and they have a timer function to turn on and off for you. Now, you can switch through the modes right here manually on this switch, but it also comes with this remote so you can change it from the comfort of your couch. Now, not only is this an impressive bundle of lighting, but it actually uses the standards of the Philips Hue outdoor lighting cords, which we have. So I can connect this directly into our outdoor lighting, and that might change how I use this because that is really impressive. These twist right on each end to keep those protected, and it's twisting right into here, so it has this outdoor wall outlet. So if I wanted to, I could untwist this and connect this right into any of my outdoor lighting systems. Amazing. But for now, we'll just test it with this. Now, it starts off with about 6 feet of plain cord, which is great if you need to run it along something before it gets to whatever you're lighting up. And then the lights themselves are about 2.5 inches apart and really well wound together, really high quality. Let's turn them on. So now it's on. I'm loving the warm white. That is really nice. And it has a lot of options, so I'm gonna go through it on the main controller here. The next one is multicolor, and it's so cool. It's got the red, green, yellow, and blue. Next one, it's changing it a little bit. Every single one is a little more multicolor. The blue's looking a little more purple. And then we have another mixture that is a little bit lighter, a little more pastel-y, really pretty. And then this one is a slow glow. It's going through all the different colors, and it's going through them really slowly. I really like this one. It's more pulsating through all the different colors. Then we have straight up blinking, and it does kind of a slow blink and a fast blink. And then there's the slow blink and fast blink with the multicolor. And then this one is a slow blink, fast blink that's going through all of the colors. This one is twinkling beautifully through a variety of colors, really inviting. And now we're on more of a slow rotation through everything. And now we're back to the solid, warm white glow. And then you do have 2 modes, which you can do from the remote or directly from here just by holding it down and having it go green. And once it's green, it means it's going to be on for 6 hours straight and then off for 18 hours. And so you'll want to turn this on right when you normally want it on, and then it will control that so it's on a 24-hour cycle. It also has an 8 hours on and then off cycle as well. So you really can just set this and forget about it. It is beautiful. I'm really in love with this lighting set, and I know you'll love it as well.